Master the Cambridge English exams with sample tests. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving deep into one of the most effective strategies for preparing for the Cambridge English exams: practicing with sample tests. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this is vital and how you can make the most of it. Sample tests are a reflection of the real exam. They help you 1. Familiarize with the exam format. 2. Understand the type of questions you might encounter. 3. Time yourself, so you know how to pace during the actual exam. 4. Identify areas of improvement before the real deal. Imagine going into an exam room already knowing what to expect. That's the confidence sample tests can give you. Not all sample tests are created equal. Here's what you should consider. 1. Source. Stick to official Cambridge sample tests or reputable English language institutions. 2. Up to date. Ensure the tests align with the current syllabus and format. 3. Variety. Don't just practice one test over and over. The more variety, the better you'll be prepared. Remember, quality over quantity. It's not about how many tests you do, but how well you use them. 1. Simulate real exam conditions. Find a quiet place, time yourself, and avoid any distractions. 2. Review your answers. After completing the test, go over each question. Understand why you got something right or wrong. 3. Keep track of your progress. Note down your scores for each section. It'll help you see where you're improving and where you need more work. 4. Seek feedback. If possible, get a tutor or a knowledgeable friend to review your answers, especially for writing and speaking sections. While sample tests are invaluable, there are some traps to avoid. 1. Over-reliance. Don't just focus on sample tests. Remember to balance it with other forms of study like reading, vocabulary exercises, and speaking practice. 2. Rushing through. It's not a race. Take your time to understand each question and answer choice. 3. Memorizing questions. The aim is to understand the structure and type of questions, not to memorize them. Practicing with sample tests is an exceptional way to gear up for the Cambridge English exams. But like any tool, it's about how you use it. Approach them with a focused mind, an eagerness to learn, and consistency. Good luck, and here's to acing that exam.